So Joe, we talked quite a bit about the VP series, and it certainly is what's hot in our line right now, but some people are striker fired gun guys or gals, and some people prefer a more traditional hammer fired gun, and so we have the P30, and what the role the P30 fills in our line is kind of a hammer fired version of the VP. Even though the P30 actually came before the VP,
right.
but that's the role that it fills. It's got the same ergonomics, the interchangeable pieces and parts on there to adjust to your grip. But we put a little twist on this. You can get it with a traditional double action, single action pull with a decocker. But we also have what's called the law enforcement modification, or the LEM trigger.
Yeah.
And what that does is the actual chambering of a round and the operation of the slide will fully cock the mainspring, but then the gun is still decocked. So when you're pulling the trigger, you're actually only just cocking the hammer, not the mainspring.
Right.
They're putting the hammer position, and then you get that single action pull after that. So it's a DASA. It's a very light double action pull that feels more like a striker fired gun when you shoot it.
So your mainspring is fully cocked, but the hammer is still decocked, and so you get a very light. Instead of fighting the whole resistance of the firing mechanism, you're just moving the hammer to the rear and then releasing it with.
So it's really a more modern take on a double action single action.
Very innovative.
So.